Hello and welcome to the YLF180. My name is Chris Opfer, and this is where we talk about a Young Living product or business concept in 180 seconds or less. We generally look at it through the what, why, and the hows. With that being said, let's get started. Today we're going to talk about enrollment and the enrollment process generally. Now that's not the language that we use or good, better, best. That's another video. Today it's just what is enrollment, why should we enroll somebody, and how do we do it? So what is enrollment? Well, enrollment is simply the process that you went through. I'm assuming that by watching this video you are already a customer or a member, and it's where we enroll a family member or a friend as a customer or a member. That's it, pretty simple. So why would we want to do it? Well, we really get to help people live happier and healthier lives. I'm assuming if you're watching this video, it's because you really love Young Living and you love what it's done for you, your family, and other people around you. And we get to help those people when they enroll as a member have that same experience. Being a member actually is easier for that person enrolling. Why? Well, they don't have to call you at 3 o'clock in the morning when they want a bottle of lavender or something like that, which means you don't have to keep stock of Young Living products and you're not in the business of retail. So it's a win for you and for them. The new member also gets the same benefits that you do, including member exclusive offers, monthly promos, access to essential rewards, and so much more. And finally, you may actually receive a thank you check, which has been lovingly called, from Young Living for sharing with somebody and enrolling that person. So how do we enroll someone? Well, it's a pretty simple process. Hopefully you're with them in the same room next to a computer and you can go to the Young Living website. Now in the upper right hand corner, you're going to click the button that says Become a Member. Then click the bubble that says I was referred by. This is where you come in and you're going to input your number, your member number, in the sponsor and the enroller boxes, okay? The reason that it's both is because it's always going to be this way about 99.99% of the time. The sponsor is the person that works for that new member, because we all work for our downline, okay? And the enroller is the person that enrolled the new member. So you can see that's almost always going to be the same. So just assume for the purpose of this video, it's pretty much always going to be the same. Then you're going to help that person choose a starter kit. I would really encourage you, help that person choose a starter kit that is actually going to help them and improve their life and fix whatever problem they had, which is why they came to Young Living in the first place. So maybe they want to green their home. Well, the Thieves line might be good for that. Maybe they are working on weight management. The Sleep line might be good for that, right? The premium starter kit with the oils is still great, and many people are going to choose that because that's what's drawing them to Young Living, but help them choose what is right for them, what they really need. Then you're going to have them sign up for essential rewards if they want to, which they should because it is the best deal. They're going to add any more products that they want to. Then finally, they're going to input their membership information, their name, address, and then their credit card, shipping information, all that stuff in checkout. Guys, that's it. And you help that person on a path to living a happier and healthier life. So thank you so much for watching the YLF180. I'm very proud to be part of a company that helps people live those happier and healthier lives. I'll see you next time.